Commander morning. Sila Richards Bay today. Sizohlangana nabasebenzi basenzeleni clinic together with all clinics. Akhona la inseleni asebenza ngaphansi kuka Achievers Security Training. What happened lana ukuthi abasebenzi basaholelwa ngerate ephansi uqaka 26 rand njengamanje njengoba irate ikhuphukile ithi 31 rand yama security bona basaholelwa ngo 26 rand khona ke indiye libaphethe elingapha eCamperdown mawubheke eMaritzburg baphinde futhi bangakhokhelwa imali zama overtime baphinde futhi bangakhokhelwa ama bonus 3 years consecutive years bengawaholeli ama bonus lokhu kulida ekutheni at the end of the day sibe nabasebenzi abaningi abasesandleni sokuqhashazwa umqashi bengenayo ivoice yokuthi bayikhulumele sesifikile njenge-MK Labour Desk niyalwazi udaba sizodila nabo very decisively ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bakhokhela abasebenzi ngendlela ebalulekile bafowethu akubona ukudlala lento esiyenzayo it's very difficult ukubona umuntu esebenza kodwa esebenzela into engekho and labasebenzi bafowethu bangena basebenza almost more than 25 days a month kodwa imali abayitholi so thina ke we are here to say mfowethu waseNdia siphe imali yabantu the people they cannot work under exploitation in our lifetime as umkhonto wesizwe abantu abakwazi ukuba nama unfair dismissal in our lifetime abakwazi abantu ukuba nama unfair labor practice in our lifetime so we are here to stand actually this is the May month workers month and siyaya masibuyele emuva siyaya kofuna umndiya ukuthi akwazi ukukhokhela abantu ngendlela ehlelekile nangendlela yokusupporta abasebenzi njengoba bekudeserve ukuhola imali okuyiyona yona bafowethu ke sikumele lolu daba futhi ngeke siye ndawo noma ngabe kuthiwa khona omunye ocabanga ngenye indlela noma ungasibiza ngane but siyimele lento ma comrade and we are not taking bribes unfortunately noma abanye beqala befuna ukusingcolisa ngezinto zama bribes but we are not taking bribes and we are not taking imali yomqashi we are fighting for justice yani ye middle class ne lower class so siyaqhubeka ke ba comrade siyaphambili abantu bayajoyina iunion uMK Labour Desk ne-union i-union yakona iSANFOSAW South Africa is not for sale workers union abanye ke sebeqalile izinto zabo sifuna ukukhompyutha ngezinto eziningi but lokho efanele sikusho mawufuna nje ungcobo uzomthola kwi-MK Labour Desk bese umthola kwi-SANFOSAW bese umthola kwi-RAF2 bese umthola ewumkhonto yimina ke lo so ama credentials amla so bafethu siyeza ke eshowe ngizwile futhi ukuthi isibhedlela nama clinic they are experiencing the same emandeni isibhedlela nama clinic they are experiencing the same siyeza ama comrade and nane phushani ukuthi sikwazi ukuhlangana ezabasebenzi sikwazi ukujoin iunion sikwazi ukuthatha umqashi simyise on the right